Meaning all of you. So last one, if else we discussed and example also. Example completed. Oh. Okay, see the example on if else. If is the true block, else is the false block. That what we discussed in the last session. Example, I think not designed, right? Example on if else at the same time a small problem, not big problem. So what is that, sir? Checking the number even or odd. So the given number is even number or the given number is odd number. We have to check it. At the same time, if else is going to covering. First one asked is the prompting, the input value, enter number. That one we are storing into n variable. Next, divide the n variable with 2. We are dividing the value of n variable with 2 and get the remainder. If the remainder equals to 0, then print the message document.write followed by even number. If the condition is failure, sir, will comes to automatically else part, and else part inside we are writing a small condition, a message odd number, and close this one. Condition success, you will get the message even number, and the condition is failure, will get the message odd number. Curly brackets compulsory, yes, sir. Curly brackets is not mandatory, sir, because the single statement only, na. When you have the single step, curly brackets purely your choice. If you have the more than one statement, curly bracket is compulsory. Enter the number 50. Answer is even number. Enter the number 99. Output is odd number. So program it's working properly, sir, but I need a small clarity here. It's printing odd number. What is that number, sir? You have to remember that one, because your given input is not displaying anywhere on the screen. So along with this message, if I print the number also, it's getting better understandability, sir. Yes, add the n here. Space is even number. Again n. Space is odd number. They were given number also printing for better readability format. Enter the number 45. Now the 45 is odd number. Refresh. Enter the number 60. Now the 60 is even number. So pronunciation easy. So previous one only if. This one is if else. Previous one only true block. The condition true, what to do we have. But here Condition true cases what to do, condition failure cases what to do, both we have. So previous one enhancement, this ones are nothing special. Simple if extension is the if else. Again this if else extension is the if else if. That's why yesterday I said these are not types, so just 3 flavors and they are 3 forms. Now we'll go for the third model. Already success case, failure case, both available, sir. Yes. Then why we should go for one more model, sir? And the first attempt failed. Then we have to go for second attempt. Whenever the first chance is failure, second chance we need. Second chance failure, sir. Third chance we need. A small funny example. March gone September, September gone March. Again March gone September, September gone again March. No, na formula? Don't know. Tell you the formula. Boo. They like me, average students, just below average students. Original exams March lo conducting, sir. It is gone, sir. September we are trying. Again gone, March we are trying. Again gone, September we are trying. So March gone, September. September gone, March. The BTech college formula this one. The original gone, supply, supply gone, original gone, supply. The formula is there, gada. Finally, before coming out of the campus, we are clearing all the things. 4 years we are enjoying most of 50% of scenarios. All subjects cleared in the last year only. 50% scenarios, all subjects are cleared in the last year because we are stepping out of the college. I'm a izzat problem. After come out of the college, still you have the backlogs and ego problem. So that's a 4th year, whatever it may be, day and night, we are working hard, finally clearing and coming out of the college peacefully. The 50% of scenarios happens. No. So first attempt is gone, sir. Second attempt required. Second attempt by chance it's gone. Third attempt is required. This is the third model. Enhancement of the second model. What is this diagram, sir? A previous diagram, see once. The same diagrams, multiple diagrams, we are placing the side by side. The adjustment problem. The same diagram, making the duplicate copy. Making the good duplicate copies and placing the side by side, then you will get like this. This is the first attempt, first level. The condition is success, sir. The first level. Condition success. Go to the if block. Run all the statements what we have. Then simply come out. First attempt to failure, sir. Suppose. Then go for the second attempt. So go to the second attempt. The second condition, second level is success. Yes. Then go to the if else block. Run all the statements here. Then come out. If it is also failure, sir, the third attempt is comes. Third attempt also failure, sir. Fourth also failure. Fifth. Like that almost 200 levels we can write. The 200 attempts are available. I think BTech 6 years or 7 years ago, maximum 4 plus 2 4 plus 5 10 years. 10 years after, if completed also, what is the use? 8, 4 years original, 4 years additional. So within that years, you have to finish that one. After that, if you finish short also, no value for the certificate and you are disqualified also. Every education a limit available. Okay. So like that here we have approximately 200 levels, 200 attempts. If all these conditions are failures are, at last again LC is available here. At last LC is available here. So this is building like as our ladders, sir. That's why somebody is calling as ladder if also. Reason, sir, it's not single if kada. It's a combination of multiple if else's. It's not a straight if. Oh, 4-5 if else's we are taking and attaching one by one, one by one, one by one, one by one. Then it builds as a this model. There are total 3 diagrams. This is one diagram. This is one, and this is one. 3 if else's. 3 if else's. Designed the one by one, one by one, one by one. Then it becomes as a if else if. Nothing but an ladder if. While ladder we are calling, sir. And in ladders we are using the same type of scenario, sir. We want to climb 30 meters, 40 meters height. But ladder available 6 meters only, sir. Height of the ladder. But how we can reach that much of height? 4-5 ladders we are getting and joining together. Ladder and nichana. Now see the example. If else if. Here we are writing the program at the same time if else if example. Finding the biggest of 2 numbers. Finding the biggest of 2 numbers. I'm taking 2 numbers from the user. In the 2 numbers, which one is the big that I'm going to finding here? Biggest number. Let x equals to, enter the first number. Let y equals to, enter the second number. Variable names your choice, anything we can take it. A, B, I, J, X, Y, something, something. In message main thing, enter the first number and enter the second number. So x equals to y equals to. And better use the parsing. Better use the parsing for accurate results. If parsing not available, sir, sometimes we'll get the output properly, sometimes we'll get the output wrongly. 50-50 chances. Parse integer or integer conversion not available. Answer getting or not 50-50 chances only, no guarantee. If I use the parse integer, sir, accurate answer it will comes. So I'm converting the value here. And the next one, condition, if x is greater than y, if x is greater than y, curly brackets I'm deleting, sir. Last 2 examples I used curly brackets, so this program I'm deleting. If x is greater than y, print the message, first number is bigger. Else if y is greater than x, else if y is greater than x, and print the message, second number is bigger. The if condition successor will get this message. By chance if condition failures are second attempt. This is second attempt. Second attempt successor will get this message. By chance second attempt also failures are, go for the third attempt. But in this program, third attempt not required. Default option, that is the else. So no one is big means both are same. X first number not big, second number not big, both are equal. And this is the writing if else. You said few minutes back it's a combination, sir. Yes, sir, this is combination. That is separate if else, this is separate if else. Two separate if else's. We are joining together. Then you will get like this. It's a combination of multiple if else conditions. Means is that one. Enter the first number 25. Enter the second number 63. And this is output. Refresh. Enter the first number 145. Enter the second number 30. 30. First number is big. Refresh. Enter the first number 10. Enter the second number 10. Both are same. Nothing but no one is bigger. Can I give the negative values, sir? Why not, sir? Any type of numbers we can give. So enter the first number minus 200. Enter the second number minus 25. Minus 200 minus 225. Second number is big. Minus 25 is bigger. Negatives reason. So these are the three styles of if writing styles. If flavors. All are if only, sir. Short to medium length. అంతే మన డ్రెస్సెస్ ఉంది కదా స్మాల్ లార్జ్ ఎక్సెల్ మీడియం అని లైక్ దట్ దిస్ ఇస్ ఆల్సో ఉంది. So these are the finding biggest of two numbers. If I want to find out the biggest of three numbers, four numbers, five numbers, six numbers are expanding that one. It is going to expanding. So how our petrol prices are going on, going on, going on. If condition is also going on, going on, going on. How many numbers you want to find out the biggest are? That number of times else if, else if, else if, else if, else if is repeating. I want to find the biggest of five numbers, sir. Five times if else's we have to write. If, else if, else if, else if, else if, and last else. You can find the biggest of 50 numbers also. 50 times if else's you have to write. And the next one, switch case I am going to showing, sir. Decision making is over. Now I am moving to the selection statement. Switch is actually selection statement, not decision making statement. But situation demanding a switch we can also use as a decision making. Originally by birth I am the selection statement. But your situation demanding, I can also help in decision making, especially in JavaScript, not other languages. In C, C++, core Java, switch we can't use for the decision makings. We must use for only selection process only. But in JavaScript, we can also use for if condition. If condition, what it is doing, that all the things we can do with switch also. But can you do in Java? If condition all the things with the switch? Huh? No chance, gada. Huh? No chance here. 100% not possible. My Java is not possible. I don't know about your Java. Okay. Now see the syntax of the switch. Originally, switch is the selection statement. It's not officially decision making. But situational demanding case, we can convert into that one. JavaScript specially providing that support. Next one, why we should use the switch case, sir? Switch case generally used for better performance operations. But compared to if condition, switch runs faster. Your if condition, else if something available in all if flavors, whatever it may be. How many varieties of ifs you know? Compared to those all the things, if we executes faster the program. So then only sometimes we are using switch cases, sometimes we are using the if condition. And all possible scenarios switches we are using. In a non-possibility and no chance are compulsory, you should go for the if condition only. Is there any chance is there? You should be use the switch. Reason, balancing of the program. Always if you use the if, sir, could be slowly running. At least possibility scenarios if you use the switch, sir. If you're getting the slow, sometimes we are using switch together, so both are going to balancing. Like as your car driving, bike driving. We are driving, heavy traffic available, unable to go for the super fast, slowly moving. So after reaching the outskirts of the city, sir, roads freely available, no traffic, sir. What to do? Still slowly moving. But time waste kada. What are the time city inside the city is wasting? That time we have to cover in highways kada. Then only your balancing of journey. Kada. In city traffic, 40-50 kanna maximum we can't drive, sir, especially in Hyderabad city. 50 also extreme. Within the city, 50 speed and extreme. And in your free roads, I thought, okay, I'm talking about the main roads. So we are starting some journey from Amirpet to Bangalore, Amirpet to Vijayawada. Almost 40-50 kilometers full traffic available, conformly. A city limits. In this one, 120 speed, I want to drive the bike, sir, and how it is possible? Are you drive anybody 90, 100 speed in the within the city? Hyderabad city? Within the city roads. Try next time. But be careful. Try, but be careful. Because ticket conforming. Carrying not available, ticket conforming. So 40, 30, sometimes say the 10 to 20 kilometers also. Slowly moving. Heavy traffic. Now we reached outskirts of the city, sir. Completed traffic. 40 kilometers, 30, 40, maximum 50 kilometers you drive. Once if you go to out of the city, sir, national highway comes generally. 6 lanes or 4 lanes. So traffic lightly available. That time also 50 speed. Yeah. No, kada. 110, 120. But that time, this time both are balancing. So if switch also same only. If you write the number of if conditions, sir, a little bit impact to the program. So possibility is there, sir. Situation syncing, sir. Then that scenarios, if you write the switches at least, these all are getting down, switch is going to rising up. No, sir, I never used the switch cases in my program, sir. That's your programming fault. When you want to perform the equality operations, when you want to perform the equal comparisons, that all the scenarios better use the switch cases only. Stop the uses of the if conditions in any programming language, either C or Java or .NET. Then only balancing of the program it will comes. What is the basic syntax of the switch, sir? Switch followed by a variable or expression. On which variable you want to perform the equality operation, on which expression you want to perform the equality operation, write the expression or variable. Expression to calculation, sir. I'm doing some calculation. The resultant value I want to check equal. That is expression. Otherwise, directly a variable. On which variable we want to perform equality operation, means equal comparison, your point of view. Write that variable name. And values are listing here. Case followed by value, case followed by value. Red color letters all are the keywords or reservoirs are out of our 59. Within the 59. 59 keywords, so some listed a few days back. In the 59, these also available. Switch, case, break, default, if, else. And coming for, while, do while. All these are the part of that 59 set only. Remember 59 words we listed in 59 no words, no need to ask. Just a concept remember kada. So case after one small space and then followed by value. This is a value which cross checks with the value of this variable. For your understandability point of I am explaining, this is the checking value of this variable. It is not the serial number of the cases. Somebody they are thinking like this, sir, because of the coding style effect. We are writing the case 1 colon something, next case 2 colon something, next case 3 colon something, writing like this. Somebody what they are thinking, sir, oh, these are the serial numbers of the cases. This is the case numbering. It's not case numbering, your comparison value that one. Feeling like that, huh? Oh, me on the word. In any language, this is not a serial number of your cases. It is a comparison value of your variable. We have one variable is there, na? This variable equals to this value, the indirect meaning. Equality operation. The same or not a matching. So don't think like as a serial numbers of the cases or case numbering. Applicable for every language, sir, same point. This variable is really matching to this value, sir. Steps are executing. How many steps you developed, that all the steps are executing, and stop the switch case. Brake. Generally, when you apply the brakes for your bike, what happens, sir? Brake stopping. Like that, when you apply the brake here, sir, switch stopping. If I am not applied the brakes, sir, accidents are happening. Accidents are brake applied, not applied. Here also. But in previous 3 if conditions, we are not applied any brakes, sir. Reason available. If else, if auto sensor system available. Automatically it is applying the brake. In this one, auto sensor not available. Manually we have to apply the brake like this. Really? You are believing or not, that's a fact. Just a terminology is changed, that's all. For your comfortability. If is automatically terminating after completion of the task, sir, switch not terminated automatically, you have to manually terminate that one. If following the common sense, switch doesn't have the common sense, but performance available. Common sense not available, performance available. If performance not available, common sense available. This is the real explanation. So for controlling the switch execution, we should apply the manually brakes compulsory. If I'm not applied the brakes, sir, unexpected outputs, unwanted outputs, that is called as accident. Program goes to accident. How many cases available? Generally, every case ending, we are writing the brake. The case beginning, sir, is case ending. Only second case beginning, second case ending. Up to n number of cases, you can write it, there is no problem. By chance, if all these cases are not selected by the switch case, all these cases, any case is not matching to this one, sir, automatically executed is the default, like as else. Default is same as to else part. This is automatically executed. Default after value not available, sir, automatically executed together, so we don't need any value. Else after, can I write the conditioner? Else after, can I write condition? No, because else is automatically executed part. failure part. In the failure cases, mali conditions why? Success case conditions required. Failure cases conditions not required. This is writing of the switch. And what is the execution order of the switch, sir? This is your variable. They have something value internally. As per the variable's internal value, it is going to selecting one of the case, or it is going to picking one of the case. That's why we are calling the selection statement. And like as if true na, false, nothing is available here. Variable you specified something as per the internal mechanism, a variable suitable case is going to picking. Which case it is picked, the statements are going to executing. After that, it terminates the switch. By chance, this break statement not available, sir. Suppose this case is selected, executing the statement. Break not available, na? It is entering into next case also. That steps also executing. Again entering into next case. That steps also executing. Like that, how many cases available? That all cases are executing one by one, one by one, one by one. When you are not applying the breaks. So what happening, sir? Expected case, unexpected case, both are executing. Extra output is comes. That is, I said, no common sense. So this is the my case, my required pace. I executed that one. After that, I have to vacate silently. I have to exit silently. But without executing, it is putting the finger in others cases. That is no common sense point means. If nature, sir, we can't do anything. That you should be controlled by using the break. So switch once they started the execution from any of the case. Once they started the execution from any of the case, that case to up to the break or that case to up to the closing of the switch. Execution all statements. The selected case to till to face the break. The break not available, end of the switch. Everything is going to executing. See here, a small example I'm going to writing on the switch. What is that example, sir? We have to take the input from the user 1 to 7 numbers, enter a value or enter a number between 1 to 7. Enter the number between 1 to 7. 1 to 7 what, sir? మన week name, sir. Mondays, Tuesday, 7 days. Which number you given, that day name I am going to printing. That's all. Next, write the switch. Write the switch N. Case 1. This is not serial number. This is equality value of n variable. 1 means n equals to 1. That is the meaning. Again, that is not our serial numbers. And document dot write followed by Monday. And then break. So write like this, total 7 cases. Default break not necessary, sir. Why, sir? Default auto automatically switch closing. So it's not moves to any other cases. And change the message. This is message. If you are given 1 to 7, which number is given, that day is going to printing. Intentionally, if you give other than 1 to 7, sir, default is executed and showing the message wrong number. Default executed and showing the message wrong number. First, one I am given. Conversion problem. Conversion problem. 1 Monday. Refresh 7 Sunday. Refresh 5 Friday. Refresh 2 Tuesday. Refresh 6 Saturday. Refresh 4 Thursday. Refresh 3 Wednesday. Refresh 9 wrong day. So 7 plus 1, 8 options perfectly working. No problem. All 8 we tested. Then what is this break nature, sir? See this one. I'm removing all the breaks here. Break removed. What happening, sir? Accidents chances are available. So many Telugu movies, so villain removing the hero parents brake car, or heroine bike brakes, so something, or hero's car brake driving, going on, finally hero chasing that vehicle and stopping. The hero covered. Other than hero characters, I think compulsory hitting gone. That's common. The hero removes the brake for villain's vehicle, sir. Villain gone. Villain remove the brakes for hero vehicle, sir. Hero safe. Because hero, common thing. Otherwise, audience not accepting, sir. You only not accepting, not others. I am also not accepting. What is the execution order I said here, sir? Which case it is selected from that case to up to break. If break not available, up to end of the switch. The case what it is picked from that case to till to face the break statement. Break not available up to end of the switch statement. The execution order. Refresh. Values are 11. It's not selecting any case. So directly goes to the default and default output displaying. Correct. You said wrongly, sir. Wait, one time I executed. Total we have to execute 8 times. Refresh. I'm giving the 5, sir. 5. Then now switch is selected this case. Now switch directly jumping to this 5th case, executing Friday. Friday after any breaks, sir? No, go ahead. Saturday after, nothing, go ahead. Sunday. Sunday after, no breaks, go ahead. Wrong value. Wrong value after no break, go ahead. Terminated. And finally switch ending, then program is also ending. The break not available meaning. It's always putting the finger in other cases. That is common sense word I use. But if conditions are, first if condition success, it never goes to second if. That is common sense means. Because my condition success, I am finishing my work silently going out. That's all. But this is not done. My task completed together. Other apartment people's what they are doing. Very generally. I have one apartment available. Some flats are available. One middle-aged lady. So kids are went to school. Husband went to office. Madam work also done. Washing, cleaning, clothing, everything is done. Relax. And now things are going to starting. What is that one? 10211 what they are doing, 303 flat what they are doing, 505 flat what they are doing. These ideas are going to starting anamata. Not watchda edo Bama Kalapmo Bhuma Kalapmo Ahalo one movie released web series ade matter adega Premani leading role. So always thinking about the like this, because switch case also did the same thing. Their work they completed, done. It's not sitting silently. Opposite flat what they are doing, neighbor flat what they are doing, bottom flat what they are doing, and thinking starting, all that information gathered. So it is wrong way of execution. Then only we have to use the break. By chance if I use it the one, sir, everything is going to executing. Because first case selected, first case picked for execution. So first case break no, second case no break, third case no break, fourth case no break up to end of the switch. And here also why it is stopped, sir, and switch completed adi. And there also why bike is stopping, sir, and petrol over adi. Petrol over often you don't need to apply the brakes anamata. After some distance automatically it is going to stopping. So that's why we should always use the brakes for the proper outputs. If conditions this risk not available. Reason, a diagram is the reason. You see that whenever this part is completed, running their code and silently jumping out of the if condition without bothering and thinking about all these things. But now n value 5, suppose input value. But what switch is doing? Case by case checking. It's matching to 5 or it's not matching to 5 1. Checking or not checking? Checking. So we get a case 1 available. User given value 5. 5 is matching to 1 or not? Not matching. When 5 is matching to 2 or not? Not matching. 5 is matching to 3 or not? Not matching. If you check like that, how you are improving performance, sir? Now, if key switch key, what is the difference? Switch never going to checking like that. Then only your performance is going to improving. It directly jumping to the switch fifth case. No step by step cross checkings. If you did the cross checking, sir, switch using a waste, sir. We came to here for improving of the performance. But same condition right in if condition will get like this. If n equals to 1, document dot write followed by Monday. Same if also we can do. Continue the same thing, sir. Else if n equals to 2, print Tuesday. Else if like that total 7 comes. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. The 8th one is the default. The same condition we can also write in this one. So wrong. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. But what is the if execution style as per our yesterday's discussion? N value is 5, sir. What happens? First it's checking or not? Yes, condition false. Then jump to second one, false. Then third one, false. Then fourth one, false. Then fifth one, success. Execute that one. Common sense available, na? Silently coming out. Because my task completed. I don't need to think about others. It is if style. Switch not like that. It is thinking others, but directly it is jumping. Level by level, it's not checking. If switch also doing up, where is the difference in if and switch? How much time if required? The same time is required the switch case also. Inga waste adi. So switch never performs the case by case checking, sir. It's jumping to the corresponding value case directly. For that internally they are following some special mechanisms. Then only your time saving. But now n value 5 sir. But if condition అయితే 5 seconds after it deciding. Just roughly time. Every case checking 1 second. Oh. So 50 second you will getting the result. But in switch case, first second only you will get the result. 4 seconds of time saving. That is the improvement of the performance means. But in my Java language not executing like that sir. Case by case it is checking sir. My C language also case by case checking sir. But you are feeling, but software never checking like that. Java also not checking case by case. C language also not checking case by case. Checking okay. 1 minute. If it is checking, why we have to use the switch case, sir? If already available, gada, why we should go for switch case? Any special, sir? No. But without special learning time waste, syllabus topic waste. If you have something different, then only we are using this one. If there is no something different, already if doing the same task, then why we should come to switch? You have answer? If already available, then why we should go for the switch? And my point not accepting, somebody face reactions differently coming. Huh? I said C Java also not checking directly jumping at the reactions came. In online I don't know reactions. Offline couple of students these reactions. Well already 180 plus available. How many reactions are came? Okay, my sentence leave it. I'll come to your track only. Switch also checking the step by step. But why we are using switch already if is there now? Say anybody answer. The same functionality if also doing. Why we should go for the switch? No answer. Right? Appu follow me. You don't know answer, kada follow me. Okay. Simple thing. You have the answer, objective. Varieties, ఏం CSS స్టైల్స్ కాదు కదా సార్, వెరైటీస్ రైటింగ్ ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ కదా. And the next one, the actual switch working style, I said how it is improving the performance also. Then can I use any data type in switch cases, sir? It is strings or numbers or booleans or long or float or double, whatever it may be. Yes sir, 100% we can use any data type in switch case in JavaScript. JavaScript supports all varieties of data, no problem. JavaScript to switch case supports the all varieties of data. But as for your programming languages, all varieties of data is not supported. Rules and regulations are available. Some languages only integers are supported. Some languages integer and string only supported. No. You C knows, C core Java knows. Which one you knows? C or core Java? Na? Core Java. Core Java switch, which data types are supported? Core Java switch case, which data types are supported? All varieties or any filter restriction is there? All varieties not supported. Some varieties are supported. Which ones are? Only 2A. Integer or string, that's all. The other data types we can't use in the switch. Except the integer and string, you can't use other data types in C. C language, string also not supported. Pure integer. एक ही है. One and only data type C supported, just integer. In Java something better. 2. This one full. Any data type you can use here, no problem. Next, in JavaScript, in place of no, we can write the condition also like this. Condition also allows. I already said few minutes back, I am basically selection, But if you are required, I'm ready to work like as conditional decision making also. It is allowing, no problem. Not only here, sir. You can write here also condition in Java script. Case after also condition we can write it. But your programming languages, any programming language, no supportability of this one. .NET no, C++ no, Java no, Core Java is also no. Python supporting. Because Python and JavaScript both same family, scripting languages. Python we have this feature. But Java, C language, you can't write this condition. No chance. Next, you got 1, 2, 3 numbers we are writing, right? In place of this one, can I use the variable as sir? A, B, C, D variables can I use? We can't. JavaScript supporting, other languages no. You must be use the constants only, not variables. Switch case allows only constants. It never allows the internally variables. Doubt available like that. What are the 4-5 points I said? Tomorrow free ega Sunday. Check it. If any reversely happens to my explanation, take the snap and we'll discuss on Monday session. I'm here only available. I'm not going to anywhere. But JavaScript switch case, it supports the variables using internally also. We want to see, sir, you are explaining that one. Yes, sir, this is the practical witness. Just to idea awareness purpose only. Let A equals to 1, B equals to 2, and C equals to 3. And instead of constants, variable patterns also allowing. But you can write the case A, case B, and case C. And go for directly this one. Accepting, no problem. Scripting language is accepted, other languages not accepted. In place of direct values, variables also allowed. So check it, sir. Enter the number 1. Monday we got it. Okay, same program problem either you can do one thing. Enter the value between 1 to 3. 1 to 3. So we'll printing some colors names. Red, blue, green. No color. No color. Check it now. 1 red, 2 blue, 3 green, 4 no color. It's working. But you never tried like this kada your previous programming languages, C or Java. Reason? Not supported. Then only we are not tried. That's the matter. So many question marks are coming, sir. Please check tomorrow. Monday we'll talk about the happening or not. Okay, balance things we'll see in the next session. Thank you all.